The relationship between the structure of the sentences and background knowledge is very intricate and complex and very interesting as well. Sometimes the structure of sentences that we use to tell stories have only implied actions in them. Consider the sentence, John fertilized the field. Now, it's hard to see fertilize mapping into any of the primitive actions that we had here. There is an implied action here that is not specified in the structure of the sentence here, but that is much more meaningful in terms of the background knowledge that we have of those primitive actions. What John fertilized the field really means is that John put the fertilizer on the field. Now, put is something that maps into primitive actions very easily. So this points to another feature of the processing. Initially, the AI agent may start with the verb given in the sentence and try to map into primitive actions. And if that fails, then the AI agent may start thinking in terms of how to transform the sentences to bring out implied actions that can more easily map into the primitive actions. This, again, is common sense reasoning. Through common sense reasoning, I'm interpreting that there must be an implied action here that captures the meaning of the sentence. Once I have made the implied action here transparent, then the rest of the processing is easier. The put action maps into the primitive action of move object, this frame is pulled out, and the rest of the slots can be filled in like earlier.